Hey guys, Kid of Potato, and today we are going to be smashing my microwave.
That's almost dented.
Yeah, right there. So I got Alex, and we got a shovel.
Oh, another hammer in there.
Yeah, more hammers. A bat, and these two things. We're not. Oh, I thought you were saying an actual hoe.
Oh, and a stick.
We're probably not going to be using these two, but that's just good. I'm going to be using the bat first.
I'm using the hammer.
I'm going to pause it for a second. Like, we're just going to take turns hitting it, so...
Like 5 at a time or something.
Yeah, so you go first, and then me.
Those are...
That's what he did. Looks like a... I don't even know what that looks like. Excuse me. Right now.
A jack-o'-lantern face?
Mine barely did anything. It just did the slash.
You like freaking
This right here.
dented it all in. Like, you basically broke the seal.
Yeah, like I did. He did this, and then I did this and these.
Your turn.
With the shovel, okay.
Oh, this ain't doing it.
Kind of did that a little.
I'm gonna hit on the side.
All right.
I'm afraid the shovel's gonna break its hold. I'm not using your shovel anymore. Going back in the hammer because that actually does something.
All right.
God, that's not enough. That was 5.
5. All right. Hold it like this. I'm gonna get the hoe. This is my hoe.
How long
right
can
here,
you
guys.
record?
Huh?
How long can you record?
I don't know. Oh, they're bringing right here. It cut in.
We're gonna have to make a noise warning.
Oh yeah, I can't really do that. So I'll just do it in the title.
I don't know how much that was.
No, I think it's 5. I'm not sure. All right,
It might
now.
be 6, I don't know.
I just cut my toe.
How about this? We like set it up so we can both just do as much damage as possible.
Wait, did you pause it or no?
No, it's
All right, good. That didn't do nothing besides into the end.
yeah. Okay.
Your turn.
If we're doing that, I'm just gonna.
All right, 5 times. 1, 2. 5. Let's just take this out. Let's open it.
Oh my god, dude!
That is, it's been out here for a while. I want to smash this, bro. I didn't mean to do that.
We're gonna need a brain.
All right, we'll get you guys back after we clean this up. We cleaned up the glass, and I'm gonna hit right here. Get up close. I'm gonna hit right here.
No, Brayden just texted you.
Oh, I was like, why? All right, so this is what I just broke off from right here, and look what it shows. Look what it shows.
It's freaking sensors.
So it's his turn.
I don't want to hit it in the middle anymore because I'm trying to get up to the door.
Okay, you want to break this off?
Yeah.
I want to kick it. I want to kick it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and break off this. Oh damn! I guess there's
I want to.
one way to end it.
Yeah. Get jumped! We got a lot of cleaning
I'm
to
hitting it
do.
right back here.
I want to throw this.
Don't throw stuff over here. Keep it like.
I'm gonna.
Oh yeah. After this, we're also cleaning up all this.
Yeah. So okay, this is
Okay, I'm hitting it right here.
right here. got one more, right? Yeah. So. Ooh, that one. All right, I'm gonna do here.
My goal is to break this seal.
I'm gonna do 2 with this and 2 with something else. 2 and no. Okay, I had to do that. I'm sorry. I had to.
Well, you still have one more hit.
Oh yeah. No, I'm kidding. That would mess that up. So I'm just gonna do a stick because Nick's lonely. That's
Okay.
nothing. So I dented this part. He did this. Baby thing.
I'm gonna go run for the back. I didn't expect that to happen.
Oh, it broke off.
There's a lot of wires there.
Just break it right here.
Check out for this back or front. Okay, one more hit.
Yeah. Okay. What?
Wait, I'm gonna try and hold it down with your foot or something.
Oh, there's
man,
this
that's some wire.
tick or a spider.
Here,
That's like a.
Can I get
I'm scared if it shocks.
Can I get-
I want that hit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mom, look. Come here. You can't really, but look. We broke it off. I broke the glass thing right here.
You're cleaning that shit up.
I know.
We did.
There's glass all over.
No, we
no,
cleaned it
cleaned
up. We both swept it up.
Look. I'm gonna hit right there. What if it explodes? That'd be awesome.
You better watch your eyeballs.
Oh yeah.
Come on, you're the glass gets in his fucking eyeball.
We cleaned all the glass out.
They broke the glass on the door.
We cleaned it all up. Here, pause it.
The inside room.
So it's Alex's turn. And
Oh, I didn't want to do that, but okay.
there we go. I dented that in because I'm a badass. No, I'm kidding. 3, 4. Come on. All right, here you go.
Next time I'm gonna see if I can.
Oh, I almost got one banana.
All you care about is the banana.
Yeah, I don't care about this.
Hey, you
All
can
right.
throw your banana at it. What?
Fuck.
I think I'm.
I didn't say nothing.
He said frump.
Frump. You frump and frump.
Frumper.
Don't record me. No, that's funny. Oh,
4, 5. Wait.
5. Look at my banana. And so where is my banana? Look. I'm gonna still eat it, dare me.
I dare you. No, don't.
I just did, bro. No, I'm kidding. I didn't. Watch out.
Can't completely get. Hey, that's copper. We can sell that.
Where's copper? That?
Yeah. We can sell.
I'm not sure. This thing, the silver thing. Whatever it's called. I'm gonna do it. No, I'm
Hey,
kidding.
what?
I'm kidding.
I don't know the best way to get in here, so I'm gonna just.
There you go.
That worked.
What if it shocks you? Can it shock you?
I don't know. It's not plugged in.
I'm scared. I'm scared. No. You know what? Try not to laugh. On the second one, you know, Stormy. She said, "WTF? Ain't that mean?" That's mean. No, I'm kidding. That's 5. I just now noticed that.
Open.
Here, I'll break it open.
Oh my god, this is so. Don't do that. I almost got it. It's so unfair. Stupid thing. Oh my god, I can't get it. Wait. I made a little plug. Oh my god, it's so hard. Okay. Yes. Yes. Come. break, you stupid thing.
Yeah, just rip it out.
I'm not
gonna do
using
it.
my hands. That's sharp.
Ow. There.
Wait. Money.
Wait, so this?
Yes.
You almost smashed it on my hand, bro. I'm gonna
sorry,
make myself
bro.
a seat. What are you doing?
Break it.
Wait, that can't be sold for money.
Yeah.
Can it? How?
It's copper.
And?
Copper is expensive.
Well, let's take it out. It just shocked me. I'm not joking. No, I'm kidding. It didn't shock me. Yeah, it's my turn.
We need a screwdriver.
My turn. I'm gonna break it.
Don't break it.
Okay, I wanna
Yeah, break it.
Yeah.
That should hurt my.
Don't judge me. I'm gonna. This shovel sucks.
It's dull.
Bad. I'm gonna use. Let's see. This. I don't want to break my weight, but
That did absolutely nothing.
how about? Let's go!
How many hits is that?
I don't know, but you did way more than me, so.
Wait, so yeah, we go.
Oh yeah.
I did like 20.
Sorry, don't say that. I'm making a YouTube video, so don't pause it. Here, just pause it. 1. What? 2. Because.
I said I don't want to play.
So, Alex is going.
I don't know where to hit it.
It's like no one's hit it here yet.
Pick it up by the. Don't throw it in dog crap.
Just hit it there on top if you want, or wherever. That completely missed. 1.
Okay, bye.
Two more. My spin.
What's that brown black stuff?
This?
No. That.
I don't know. Probably soft. I thought you were gonna throw that in my face. So, you want the ball you gotta catch. 2, 3, 4, 5. You wanna go again or no?
Where'd you put the hammer? Where'd you put the hammer?
Right here.
I used to fucking do this. Oh, this no, I'm good. That was
1. 3. Actually, just keep going a lot, like, because you haven't been here, so just keep hitting it with random stuff.
use a fucking shovel. Is that possible?
No. He's using everything and throwing it. Oh, I love this. This is fun. Alright, one more thing. A stick. Ah! Came around and hit me in the back. He broke it. Alright, my turn. No, your turn. And I haven't thought that. I'm doing it. I don't care.
He slams a stick on you, hits it again, then just breaks it.
That was the biggest hit. I feel it high. This is hard.
Okay.
Stupid toaster. I'm trying to.
Okay, so you threw it in the dog crap, but okay.
I don't care.
It's gross.
I don't care.
That ain't doing anything.
Hit that white part to like open.
That.
No, the other white part.
Oh, this?
That has copper.
No.
He is going for money, buddy.
Hey.
You're right.
How long you going on vacation?
A week. So probably not because
Alex, you will be football? Twice. No, 14.
for like he don't got time for that. No.
It's fun. Wait, didn't you try it once?
Me?
You.
I don't know. Alright, that's
That
it.
keeps on hurting my hands.
That's the microwave. That's the after.
This is so light. It's so...
I'm dead. Alright, so that's the microwave. Now we hit me in the head.
Now we will all three
Yeah.
beat the crap out of it.
All four.
Yeah, new one. You like microwave? My turn.
Well, now I'm gonna end this video. So like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.